This is the most underrated cut of chicken. Today I'm going to make for you one of the simplest, cheapest, and most flavorful dishes we make in our house: oven roasted chicken quarters. Personally, I think this cut of meat is one of the most underrated cuts of meat out there. Why? Everybody goes with chicken breast. People think chicken breasts are healthier or more simple to make, but no, stop. These things are awesome. They're more flavorful, tender, juicy, and honestly, they're cheaper. It is a budget-friendly meal that every family should have in their back pocket and everybody is gonna absolutely love. This really is a plate for real plates and real life. We're gonna start by chopping garlic and rosemary together because we'll use this for both the potatoes and the chicken. As you know, we like a lot of garlic. I'm gonna use about 10 cloves, but adjust to your taste. Once the garlic is chopped, add 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary and chop it right into the garlic. This really brings the flavors together. You can use dried rosemary, but fresh takes this up a notch. Add everything to a bowl and set it aside. We'll use it for both the potatoes and the chicken. All right, so next we're gonna prepare our potatoes. The potatoes, you just need your potatoes, half of the mixture of the garlic and rosemary, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And for the potatoes today, I'm using potatoes from our garden, delicious Adirondack Blue and Yukon Golds. You can peel the potatoes or leave the skin on if you like. I'm gonna peel mine. Once peeled, cut into small equal pieces so that everything cooks evenly in the oven. Put all the cut potatoes in a bowl and cut with a few tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Then add half of your chopped garlic and rosemary. Combine everything well, making sure all of the potatoes are coated evenly. Finally, put the potatoes in the bottom of your baking dish and spread evenly around. These, to get seasoned up, are very simple. We're just going to use the rest of the minced garlic and rosemary. I'm going to use some paprika, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And then at the top, we're going to garnish it with a little bit of lemon. If you don't have lemon, don't worry about it. It's not necessary for this dish. But it does have a little bit of depth and flavor if you do have lemon. Put the chicken in a mixing bowl. I use the same mixing bowl as the potatoes since the seasonings are the same. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil. This adds flavor, helps crisp up the skin, and helps the rest of the seasoning stick to the chicken. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Flip the chicken after the first teaspoon so both sides are salted well. A teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, optional, but it does add flavor, and the rest of your garlic and rosemary mixture. Then, mix up the chicken well, making sure all of the seasonings are mixed well on the chicken. Now place the chicken quarters on top of the potatoes. Lastly, and optional, if you have them, add a few lemon slices on top of the chicken. It looks awesome already, doesn't it? So the oven is preheated behind me to 425 degrees. I have it set hot because I want the skin to be able to get extra crispy during the cooking. It'll cook between 45 to 55 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is between 175 to 180 degrees. I am going to keep a close eye on this though because I want to make sure that the skin does not become too black while I'm cooking. I want to make sure that if it does, that I can put some foil on top during the cooking process so that I can keep the skin crispy but not burnt. This looks and smells unbelievable. It was so simple to make. You saw we just mixed up the potatoes, a few simple ingredients, put the chicken on top of the potatoes, and in the oven for about an hour, 45 minutes to 55 minutes. I ended up doing this for 55 minutes and the skin is perfectly crispy. Let's take a look. Wow, so juicy. I mean, look at those juices in the bottom here. It's like a pool of juice. And a piece of that chicken, and soak up some of that sauce down there too. Wow. This is it. Honestly, could eat this every day of the week. The potatoes are so soft and juicy. They've absorbed all of that moisture from the chicken. The lemon's actually halfway through. I took off the top and put them on the side so I can make sure the skin crisps up nicely over here. But man, this is an unbelievable dish. I actually wish I put more potatoes in because they are awesome. family's about to get home. I want to plate this all up for them and have a really nice dinner with this chicken tonight. So thank you for watching. Join us next time. Real Plates, Real Life. I appreciate all the support. Please subscribe, and we will see you soon. Thanks, and see you next time.